Welcome to KB Technologies Managed IT, empowering Kings Point, Florida businesses with cutting-edge IT solutions. Protect your data and network from evolving digital threats 24/7 with our industry-leading cybersecurity. Experience proactive monitoring and support that keeps your systems running smoothly every single day. Upgrade your communications with crystal clear, cost-effective VoIP for seamless collaboration. Secure your facility with advanced access control system technology and keep unauthorized visitors out. Tap into on-demand expert IT service for troubleshooting, maintenance, and peace of mind. Choose scalable, customizable managed IT services designed to fit your unique business needs. Maximize performance and uptime with comprehensive network optimization and maintenance. Ensure business continuity with robust data backup and recovery strategies you can rely on. Thank you for watching. Ready to transform your IT? Contact KB Technologies Managed IT near Kings Point, Florida today for a free consultation.